Hi lovely people, welcome to Sandra's Baking Ideas. Today I'm gonna show you how to bake an unbelievable, delicious cheesecake with chocolate pudding. But before we start, subscribe to my channel and ring the bell so you don't miss any of my next videos. Let's go! This is my delicious cheesecake with chocolate pudding. You'll find the recipe in the description box below the video. I hope I see you next time again. Bye!